Thank you, Siyabonga. Vandaag, I'm dedicating this one to the youth. Mawukhona out there and you are thinking, good, hey, man, I'm a finest leader. I do my thing, I know my story. You might as well be stuck in your own vices and demons as umuntu omusha. So ngiphethe intwana yami in the building in studio. Ngihlangana nayo ngepassage la ngithi hey mfethu. Impilo ibanzima makungenzeka ukuthi mhlambe senze amanye ama life choices nani but umfana uthi no Grootman ngifuna ukubagelezisa sanibonani. This is the way nginibingelela ngayo namhlanje ku rings and bearings where we are sugaring and changing the issues of life together. My boy, shabu boy.
Dimo ka Grootman.
Ngiyawubona ugense dipinyane diamane digauta digolide. Mona tell us about this look mchana. What's up with this look?
Ay ke hotse ke rata lookeng yabo.
Bana.
Yeah, ke hotse ke le pantsola.
Yeah, ibitswa pantsolo like kabelo mabala. Yeah. Pantsola for life.
Pantsola for life.
So look inspire lo ke mang. I can't just say je ke hotse ke rata ntwe. Ke mang who inspired the look?
Nkare ke le timer.
Is it?
Yeah, ke le timer mara hantle ona le out engwenyana kasi.
Yeah.
Ba bitsa Fistos.
Yeah.
Yeah, so look inspire lo ke ena hantle.
Hey, wathi kuyababona bafana. So is it far from the Lucas Khotan and what?
Very far.
Is it? Oh, Khotan is another culture.
Yeah.
This one.
Mara di similanyana ntho tse re di apara.
Oh, okay. So the outfit ya diphahlo yona inspiration itswa ko kae? Ko di Soprano, ko di Ocean's 11 or ki local?
Ke local brand. Ke brand yanka Grand.
Oh, yeah. Okay. I unpack the brand. Now I black people here for a living. Yeah. I unpack a brand.
So okay, ke shaka local brand.
Yeah.
Ke paisa di panto tse ke di paisa.
Yeah.
Di kipa, di beke,
yeah.
di jersey, sweater, marugu, di overall. Yeah. So ke teng TikTok, Instagram le page le teng.
Bitsa mfana iplake ka speed nyana.
Instagram ke Azlali Siyasula, lebitso la brand Azlali Siyasula.
Yeah.
Yeah, ke Instagram, Facebook Azlali Siyasula. Teng TikTok mara ke account ya ka nje ke abetse ntlailana.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So ke abetswi ubua ka brand mara nkare we masachise ka siZulu asidlali Siyasula mara wena ubua Sotho and then what's up with that?
Nkare ke bone lebitso la Zulu lona le easy le tla ehlalang hantle.
Yeah.
Wabo yeah.
Okay.
Azlali Siyasula.
Yeah.
So ka Sotho nkare ke eng ka Sotho Araba pale rapa. Wabo etlo ba
direct translation akararba pale re aphumula.
Wabo so ke wonka Zulu easy.
Yeah.
Azlali Siyasula.
No, thank you very much. No, let's dip into it. Let's dive in deep. As we are listening to this episode, I know you've been pushing 400 plus. It's no child's play. Siyabonga ukuthi you have carried us through and through for the past 3 years. Ne supporter religiously. So indwana yami ba fe mabitso a feletseng ngwaneso hore mangwa mang o tswa kae le hantle.
Okay, na ke abetse ntlailane. Ke tswa Soweto ko Kliptown di flateng. Mara naturally pone ko Northwest Rustenburg.
Le Faraghatla.
Yeah.
Oh, ikaze le Faraghatla. Yalungile lapha ngiyobona ama comrade wami lapha. Right, my boy. What brings you here today?
Okay, currently sitse mo today. Ke batla like youth age group ya rona is ka etsa mistake tse le reng ke di entse. Mistake tse ke ntseng gore ke be mo ke leng teng ona. So ke batla ba etse something different and then akwenze le pae.
Okay. Ngizo stretch episode. I'll talk about the now and gore how do you keep going and how do you keep positive? Because one, ababu got disadvantaged, and then or someone living with disability. It feels like we're now more like queuing, baba ngabaliko pale, and still you are carrying on like it's business as usual. And we thank God for at least He spared your life. So kitlo ufanako so that you explain. Take me a day before the incident, and take us through the whole entire incident.
Okay. Nkare nka iqala jwang okay, day before, okay. Nkare ke hotse grand nna. ba ngodisitse grand le batswadi ba ka o leng wa ka ne ke nqanywa diski yeah before everything ne ke nqanywa diski from primary till high school so nka tjhore dintho di nkile 10 at fihla like high school abo so se ke bona dintho different high school ke ba interested bopantsoleng haholo abo so bopantsoleng ha ke ba interested okay ke bile majaiva grand ne ke le majaiva ne ke sha skanda abo so nka reng okay leza wa ka high school kopana le batho ba baja ke kopana le batho ba bang so before everything before everything nka tjhore okay first time yaka ya hore ke join gangsterism ya hore ke tshware thipa ile a qala a etsala ho nna ke tswa disking skela ha ke tswa disking skela okay ke approachwe ke batho ba nkela katiba so ba nkentsetsa dithipa ne ke re ke a lwana so mara ke pekile off ne ke sa batlo le mala because ne qalo etsala ntho so nna yabo so from that day ke tjwetsa hore okay le nna ke tla kera he thipa le nna ke tla kera thipa or next time I etsala ke I protect so now qaleng wa ka o kera thipa ne ke use for protection hantle yabo so okay thipa ne ke use for protection till then okay ke kopanele batho kopanele machite ke lezang lona amanga kasi so re form a scheme ra form a scheme asicala ke mapantsola nje athaya ntsembu dance yabo but once he raba intoxicated ra nwa bjwala because rona he machiteng ne re sa tsubi ne re sa tsubi total le kwaya next ne re nwa bjwala haholo okay so ha re ba intoxicated no qala dinto tse tizi machita vele re lwantsha ke ntho tse nyane hore mamangwa o hata mnating or mangu sheba hambi or mamango batlo lwanela khel
ongela ngwana
yeah so ntho ya gangster e qadile jwalo nje ka o kura nje le batho ba bang from da rinkile raisa odimo se re tsang se re hlopha batho ba bang se re hlokomeza batho ba bang re kela batho dintho tsa bona ra senya nje whenever there's party di parking diplomacy rona ra fihla ka o senya nje yabo so e qadile jwalo riding zeo ho ya pele okay gangsterism re tlasha wa tsebala ke di class tsa matita kasi wa khona lwana le motho no yena o sane o etsang wa votela yabo so ha o votela a bitsa scheme lwana na le matita o la bitsa scheme so se le di beef lona le sa kena kasi ya bona le bona ba sa kena kasi ya lona yabo se le ntwe jwalo se le conflict yabo ramatisa se le ntwe jwalo ga hlakana ramatisana and during nako tseo a khono nana street a khono nana go nana ke hlaba motho or ke khawatha mo o etsala ngabo so o etsa fela o tlo na le nthonyana nje o controlang ka hare nje ha ona ni street o etsa fela nje so nka tshone le di conflict tsa kasi o tle ke fihle mo keleng teng disability ne le di conflict tsa kasi hantle tshwana le re lwanela a choose wa rona and then na batho ba nkhawathileng ke batho ba ba tseba ba lo reng ne ke vale bona pele ne re kanga kaofela yabo so re bile le conflict nyana ga sa hlole go utlwana so wa etsala hore re kure ne re matsisana so incident a etsala ya hore ke khawathe ke be mo keleng teng okay ne re hosta sort of boma street bash ne ba bitsa pantsola mitsa maputswa mara ne lo jive mapantsola tla ka talente tsa bona jive ntho tsa bona maputswa tlo jive ntho tsa bona yabo so nkare ba e bone batho ba ne re sa utlwane le bona post ye whatever or okay ba etsa ntho so re tlo fihla mo yabo so ne le passion shapo o le mnati till batle ba fihle yabo so ba fihlile ka group mara nkare ba iseparate ba plan already yabo so etsa le okay re ba bone a ke tsebe le nna ke lahlilwe ke spoku ne ke ya kae mo ke ya so ke ba thole a hlakana maybe hlakane ka mo pele maybe ne le batho ba bo my 5 so a ke re nna ne ke silent ona tshetse re ngai black man yabo so abang approacha ka re ngai ke tla ba ncenga ba le 5 so le nna ke tlalwa ke ba ncenga So a re lwana jwalo as ke tjho re ne ba plane ba bang ba hlahile ka mo morao. So ne ba le bangata ke tsebe ne la o minimum 10 to upwards men nje. And then nane se ke le one machita ka a ke tsebe. Wa tseba re le mnateng ga separate o mongwe o bambile cherry kwa o mongwe ile kae wa bo so re separate ile nna se ke le one ke thola ra. So etsa le okay antse ke lwana ba nhlabe ba hlahileng ka mo morao ke bona ba nqetile mmatla shapile next step ba shapa back step ba shapa le spine. So ka fellwa ke matla from da ke wetse fatshe go kile se ke kukwa ke iswa para.
How long did that thing take, the squabble? So?
Ya ukawache.
Yeah.
Like okay ukawache waka like from ukawache till ke hosi.
No fight. Yeah, fight. Inkile 30 minutes, 1 hour.
Ya nka nako fight. Ebile ntho tse fast nje. Aba qetong kapa nje ba matha ba bale. Aba baleya ke a fihla machita
So we can simply say your life changed in literally 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Life ya motho mocha gone in 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Because of the choices.
Yeah.
So ha letse likura hu ringa eng ko ngqondong ya hao a o heletse hore ba fetu backup
as ke tjho rai ne ke nwele futhi nna ke itjetse reng okay ya ke ba bona ke tshwara plug ke tlalwa la ntse ke le one ke ntho ne re itjetse yona from machita gane hore normally one wa ilwane le rona ha re tlo re tlo lwanela re tseba gore lwanela ntho e leng teng le wena wa baleya or something abo so ke fetse ka reng ke tshwara plug ke a lwana so batho ba nkhawathileng ke ba nhlahileng ka mo morao
o tshwere eng ha o lwana ha o re wa itwana
ne ke tshwere thipa mara nako e etsa la incident because etse fast azanka thola nako ya ontsha thipa so ne ke tshwere mabotlolo ke spanisitse mabotlolo
o re wa itwana
ke re ke etwanela
okay let's start with the perpetrators, you know, because wena maybe your team as a perpetrator at that time because this was going violence and gang war. Where are those guys now? So your case is a cold case file and like
because after incident machita ka lona rechile kere after incident machita ka lona nasaya house to house abontwana wabo ba di batla one by one ba mtholang ba mkapa aba samthole ba senya madlala bathunya bathu ba di festere wabo so ibile ntwe jwalo nje wabo thilo ke machita na after khawacha waka akutlwela majority ya machita ao a ankawathileng a disappear na sa hlola ploma kara makaisi a ona cause ba bangi asiba karaka si straight Pimville ba tswa fama ne ba vuthiwe hanhlanhle orange farm.
Son. Can you explain this gang thing because but babacha they love this nonsense and why I'm calling it nonsense it's because people are always exposed to danger and le batho ba leng innocent batswadi they become victims ka lebaka la hore they are connected to you ka madi. The next thing le bona se ba dutse tshwantse ba yo go di court tshwantse ba pate bana ba bona into ya di gang mchana. What is this thing enhle kran
that's why ke tjho like a re hlaya di background ntse tshwanang so motho atlo onana nje o kena ganging o tlo maybe bana le reason ya hore sometimes ba bang ke di peer pressure sometimes ba bang ba hola kasi o bona Grootman le leng le etsa so le so yena o inspired by lona Grootman le ba tletsa ntho tseo ba bang maybe ba hola family ntse seng sharp wabo maybe ba abusiwa ntho tse jwa so ntho tseo ba batlo di ntshetsa strateng o bathong ba bang wabo so I never ga tseba hore like why wabo sometimes ke satan udlala ka gona ezidintwana nje
I think we underline le handle my bro. But now are we ka batswadi ba how because mom and dad they gave birth to a fine young man solid in one piece and now dinjo dia change. What was the reaction and how is the whole entire family value chain now?
Obviously batswadi ke batswadi ba khoza everything ba batla ntwe grand for wena but obvious cause rona re machita ra hola re dintwana re batlo lena di hardware rona ra foster rona even though ba khoza ka kamba o jwetsa hore ntwe right ke so le so wena o batla o mamela ha batla o mamela o batla o phela bophelo ba strateng o batla ho etsa ntho e o e etsang till o etsa le ntho e wrong wena till le wena o tlo qina o bona o raa ntho ne ba e bua ntle ke hae ne le right wabo because bona ke kae today bona o etsahalang today wabo so flop yo rona because vele choice ke ya motho choice ke ya choice kwena o decide even though batswadi ba o decide la o etsa so ha o le ntlong o ka ba so ha o tswela strateng o be so because nna nka si ntlong ka ofela nthonyana tse snacks ne ke sa di etse ne di etsala ha ke tswela ka ntle but till ba tle ba notice ora ama na le ntho e changeileng ka ntwana o etsa so le ya bonala wabo.
Right, two things. How old were you when the incident happened? And then number two, how did this affect your parents?
Okay, ne ke na le aknana. It's been 4 years now. Ne ke na le it's either 20 or 21 years. Yeah. Askhale haholo. Ke ntho ya 2022.
Yo.
Ayetsala. So, and ba khawathile batswadi ba ka riding hantle ba khawathile. Aya ba tshwara sharp mara motswadi ke motswadi. I never lahle ngwana hae fela le fela wabo.
Yeah.
So yeah, they've been there for me.
Yeah.
Since day one.
Yeah.
But though wetsa le okay dintho di changeile ka tlung ha o sa tshwana le pele because a ke sa kgona ho tsamaya wabo.
Yeah.
So ntho e so le so ntlong se mele be so because of nna. Wabo. But ana kwentse okay ha o qala ho thata but ana kwentse wa tlwaela wa accept le wena. Wabo.
So the day you fitla ko spetlele and of course maybe you passed out or maybe not so shebile before ba operator too when the doctor broke the news to say Mona you are paralyzed from the waist down, you will never ever gain mobility ever again.
Okay. Like from tseleng ya hospital because nixo black out ne santsane ke phaphame wabo because immediately vele ha ba qetwa nhlaba ke wele ke feletswe ke matla so kelellong ya ka ne ke itjela hore okay ke batlo phama le nna ke lwana but ke utlwile ha ke re ke a phama no ai mo dusa ha no phama ha ke phama ntse ke wela fatshe wabo till ke tle ke robalela ba nkuke ba bitsitse koloi ba sha koloi ka ya para bankisa trauma ward like ke nkile light le nna ntho ke a tsoga maybe gore ke kgathetse gore banka wathile ke tau wabo ke feletswe ke matla nje wabo and the kelelong ya ka nna ne santsane ke itjela gore ha ke tswa hosi ra khutlela re tlo balata wabo ke ntwe ne ke itjetse yona kelelong ya go gae revenge wabo so kawathile by then ban stitcha like ne ke bona ka re that's why ne ke tjho ke nkile light ban stitcha ban kisa normal ward maybe ke dutse 2 days ke yona he ne ke tlo playga out a ke tsebe ke reactile jwang after because ban jweditse after ke shapilwe ke playga out ha ke phaphama se ke le ICU by then ke ICU ke ipotsa ga man ke fihlile jwang because ke hopola ke le ko ward nje normal ward wabo so mawaledi ang xoxelo raman o reactile somehow a ke tsebe etsa etseng because dinese ba re duthotse like sifuba sa o se sitombile mlala so tumbile because ne bankwazitse mo mlale mlala so tumbile ke change color so I had to re bankise ko ICU fast wabo bankisitse ICU ke spendile like boma a month and then no lithatha ICU because ne ke sa khone ho bua ne ke hema ka machine ke sa khone ho etsa next ne ke etsetswa everything ke dula ke le betheng so hangata okay ne ba tla ba tlong visitor batswadi like hangata ne ke sa ba bone because ne ke dula ke le blackout kwa ICU ha ngata ba batla la ke melo a o dule o relaxitse futhi yabo yeah so ICU ke dutse 1 month then ga normal ward dutse 3 months because taba ba tlo njwetsa na ba njweditse after ICU alright man hona no wena so le paraplegic o tshwereng like Karing from stomach sa uyehla kwa awusathesha handle yabo like awusathesha plus vele by then nexa utlwi next month waka next wa utlwi banjwetsa still ke nkile light ke a tšhoga cause aka di tloela ntho so ke a tšhoga maybe after nakonyana man ke tlo ba sharp o tlo gutla wabo but bang explainela gore mele o be patient diding se qoba nako mele o vibe di physio wabo banjwetsa gore mele o etseng wabo so ke nkile light but then antso ya o ya ke bona okay ai se yang njanu ntwe and it's only different se ke phelo bo different wabo because banjweditse vele ke sa le sepetlele till ke tle ke o tse okay se mele ke adapte bophelong bo botjha gore no a ke sa kgona iketsetsa ntho tse ngata mele ba nthuse mele ba nkuke mele ba nthuse o hlapa ntho tse jwalo wabo so by then as an accept like ne ke tshaba lotswa ka tlung akere ka lebaka la goreng batho ba bane ba bane ba bua gore vele a ke re na iketsa notorious na iketsa like gang ya moshebe o kae no wabo se ke tshaba mahlo a batho ke swabela situation ya ka wabo and ka mo ke disappointile batswadi hape wabo so se ke shaka low self esteem and ke a bona ntho tse ngata like o thata o di etse even though ke re ke a forced o thata so se mele ke nke dintho step by step o batla la patience yeah
yo lefatshe la la chiga la change straight.
Eish.
Okay, let's talk about the process, because for you to get here it's been a process. Yeah, how is it been to adapt, to accept?
No le thata gore ke adapte ke accept but then wa hlakana le batho maybe their family members ba di situation ntse so ba re ba bang ba di situation ntse so ba bua le wena ba o kaeda ba o jwetsa like obviously cause vele ya qala e ka so tshware sharp o ka se dumelle didings o batla o fola fast never very patient o batla dintho di tsamaye vele ka tsela ya abo so mele o nke in other way because lena as get you vele ne sa ntshware sharp ibile process inkile nako as get you ne sa tswe nna ka tlung to tell maybe ke nkile bo ma eye ka ofela ke sa ngane o tswa kantle amachita maybe a ga ntshakela mang a kena ka dlali sometimes a ke batle le gore machita ke ena mpone
yo
so ibile process till ke tle ke accept yo man re bangata ba so and ba bang ba tswetse ba le so ba bang ba worse than maybe for sure wabo so anyana step by step ka dile ke understand ke hlakana le magrotmana manga di ex convict a nqoqela njwetsa so ke qala like ke understand anyana ke itumela okay mele ke be le pride aside no mele ke so mele ke dumela gore ke so a una nthetlo change maybe during we ana ko vele wabo cause vele nna ke na le upo ke tlo ba sharp so we ana kwa ke tlo ba sharp so mele ke itumela anyana qine ke itumela se ke tswa ka ntle ke accept ya re ke leng ka teng le batswadi ba ka ba ra fonna ba supporta ona le machitanyana sharp nje an supporta asa maine wa bo ke tlile le a choose fanda ga maino nkapa anytime anywhere yabo so anyana ke a encouraging ke accept
I choose but at least mfana wa ka na ke start a process ka ifetsa so we need to do schools tswantse re kene bafana ba banyane ba mpitsa go dikolong and at times le nna voice ya ka ya but somewhere na ora ke fihlelle deep because I cannot feel your pain the way we feel ankateng. I can only sympathize with you. To be quite honest, I always tell people you can't heal what you can't feel. So at this present moment, because seasoning our country is in tatters, only imbalance in the universe because of these young boys and this gangsterism thing is very rife, and only mabitso adi gang. So you need to amplify your voice. I hope this episode will go beyond, the borders of SA, so that even people out there, if you are thinking of anything or any funny business, the repercussions. Ka Sesotho ke rata ka teng ere ditlamorao bore batho ba kgone dila ka yona. So let's talk about affection, love life and then because batho ba ba cha ke sex ki chelete, ki pride. Once you babata power, so gangsterism is about power.
Yeah.
Then there's this part, your relationship, mjolo, the date, the pandemic, and then ibe taba ya chelete. So issue ya relationships. Are you in a relationship, and what's the story?
I give a relationship. I give a relationship.
Yeah. So you don't have an interest for now, or
Aye.
you're still trying to build nyana somewhere.
I can interest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you
Focus it's on
yeah, which is good. I love that, and you should not be apologetical about it.
Yeah.
You know, it's important. Bo Mother Teresa ba dutse man, ba be ba sharp almost 100 years by itulets. It's always good, you know, to be loved, to love people, and but we wanna know your coping mechanism then, because batho ba re no mna e phela nna kamo ki sexy kamo ki eng kamo ki di hack kamo ki di love life. I've got friends, you know, very good friends of mine, you know. I must link so that maybe libona they give you even more energy, you know. Grootman yaka Mavesta udeng udutse uvaka dithu because ulwana ra monna mon chairman's chair for nna hayi khona nna kuyalwana. He did not accept from day one bamchayela yabo. So meaning ulawa condition engqondo yaye otherwise wafostana, or at least a honor awine, you know. I've got my big leadership MMC in Eguruleni, Dino Peterson. You know, the way he ministers to my life. Every day, you know, and we took a picture the other day, Rnalibo, Honorable Source, and I'm saying, Dino, what's up, my guy? The energy right there, he's got a beautiful family, beautiful wife. So that's why I'm saying we need someone like that. He's a big throat man, and I remember when he met up with Mavesta, I want to bless you, you know, because you encourage many of the people. He does not live that life the way Batwamonankateng. That's why he is bigger than myself, you know, the way I push Ankateng. So I hope, Luena, that energy consumes you, and Luena, one day you feel, all right, it's about time now, living the best time of my life. Then survival now. How are we surviving? You told me about touching Besechet or no core business, but how are you now surviving on a day-to-day?
Yes, ke pusha brand a se ntho tse pase ke di etsang ke pusha brand haholo. Yeah, ke yone nka reng imphandisa sharp yona ya pusha kasi. Yeah, yona ya pusha kasi.
Sorry, support.
Yeah. Support e pa.
Yeah.
Blind.
Nice one. Right, message to the youth from your heart now. Gore re ka e bua as in, okay, no key episode, now I've healed nani, but there are challenges, you know, every day. I mean, obviously go jumpa, like I said, gore kopane le wena go purchasing, I could tell because the trading at sides are the way the traditional thing. In as much as when you have created your own wealth, your own space, and Batswadi, we thank them very much. It's important that support, even the family unit Kaufel. But speaking to the youth as we are wrapping the episode, your message to the world.
Okay, ntho nka e tjong gore okay ke a frustano re machita re batlolena di hardway and I qale ka rona intse tlo qhubeka right, even though ona li di motivational speaker and stuff, but ba teng ba tlo mamelang, ba teng ba never ba mamele. But into nka e tjong gore everything I reach una mele re tsebe vele na le di consequences a kere, cause re ka tuna dintho re le machita re di tune re le machita, but ha o tlo le mala o liwa, ha o tlo fahlaga o liwa, ha o hlokala o liwa machita ka ena khwengeo yabo. So ntwe nka e tjong le taba e ya gore mapantsola ke di gangsters, a bopantsola se gangsterism bopantsola. Bopantsola ke art grand bopantsola. Bopantsola ke walk, bopantsola ke talk, dance, attire, everything ka yona ke positivity. Se lo re nje a re nane ka tshwana. So re batletsa dintho different. Yabo. So re batletsa dintho different. So ntwe nka e tjong gore re naneleng re mameleng batswadi, cause ga di etsa dintho re paisise ha re paisise machita wa ya paisise e tlo ba batswadi bona ba re sa ba mameleng ba zwagalang ba tlo supporta ba o thusi yabo. So re naneleng ngono re be dipari ya botleva e spane ya botleva.
Yo, Abutleva is Pan Africa. Take care of yourselves. We see gore re thola re le mo kokae, and we don't want kausani someone sali charity case. Hona ditori tse ngata. I'm happy that my boy he has found his cross, his Christ, and he's pushing positive life. And ubua ka bupantsula ukuthi ubukhuluma ngento ye-artistic nature. So it's a lifestyle, but now it does not give birth to anything that says gangsterism. So we need to support them, but as long as if ngendlela explain ngayo, now I understand it. Ukuthi kahle kahle uya kuphi ke. So that's how we conclude and we wrap this episode up. Until the next episode, can you please keep on praying for the young man? Earlier on, if you've missed it, go back to the episode. Udishilo, the social media platforms are high. The only one thing, as we are signing off and we're out, I'm going to allow him to leave his numbers. If you want to order and support the work of his hands, please dial this number.
071 022 5314.
5314. That's how we wrap it up. Keep well and stay blessed until the next episode. Love you with the love of the Lord. Salute. Calculator, boss.